don't need it. You don't need it. You can't go over the edge, Charlotte. No. Stop. Turn around. Good job. Good job. This is how an 11-month-old gets around the house. And thankfully, we don't have to chase her the whole time. Say hi! Boo! Bye-bye!